Hello, in today's video we will learn how to add two integers using C program. First write hash include stdio.h. Next write int main. This is the starting point of the program, int main. Now declare three variables num1, num2 and sum. Int num1, num2 and sum. Now print first number. Printf enter the first number. Here, printf function used to display message from user to enter the first number. Next is scanf. Scanf function used to read integer from the user and store it in num1 variable. Scanf %d, comma, ampersand num1. Copy this line and paste here. Change the second number and variable is num2. Now write addition formula. Sum equal to num1 plus num2 and printf the sum is %d plus n, comma, sum. Return 0 and save and run the program. Enter the first number. My first number is 15 and enter the second number. My second number is 20 and the sum is 35. Thank you.